A very good morning, dear children. Let us start our next chapter of English grammar. Okay, so everybody open chapter 11 in your book, page number 28. Write on date on the top. It's 13th August 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay, so what is the name of the chapter? Name of the chapter is Run Runs, Go Goes, Try Tries. So see the name, run runs. Where do we use run and where we use runs? Where we use go and where we use goes. Means you have to see when we joined s or es with any verb. Okay, verb I told you, whatever we do, play, dance, eating, playing, dancing, sleeping, whatever we do, doing word, that is verb. Okay, so when we add s or es with these doing words, so we are going to do it today. So everybody write on date on the top. So let us read now. Let us start. Before starting, let me tell you, let us read from here. Doing word plus s. When do we use s with anything? Like when we are writing play, sometimes we are writing play, s, plays. When we are adding s, let us read it. So some doing words that refer to an action in the present take only s. When we are talking about present, like I now, you are listening to me, no, I'm teaching you. When we are talking about present, he plays in the park, she dances, she reads the book. Means when we do, at present when we do something with the singular noun, singular naming word means one. Anuj is one, Kavita is one, he one boy, she one boy, and it one animal, bird, anything one. Means when we are talking about singular noun or any singular pronoun, singular noun, name of anything, name of any person, and singular pronoun he, she, it. These are singular noun or pronoun. So with them we always use s. If we have to write sentence, Anuj, when we are talking about his present, Anuj play in park. So here we will not write play because we are talking about singular noun. So what you will write? You will add s always when we are talking about singular noun. Okay, and when we are talking about the action at present, when we are talking about the action at present, in the present, not in the past, not in the future. Okay, same way Kavita plays in the park, he plays in the park, she plays in the park. Okay, it rises. Okay, it shines. So with it also we always use s with first with a verb, first form of verb. Okay, with the whatever verb is given to you, doing word is given to you, with that we use s. Okay, let us move to the next question. But when we are talking about the plural noun or pronoun, plural noun means Anuj and Kavita too. With I also, we plural noun, you we use for singular plural, but we always count it as plural. Okay, you and they. So when we are talking about singular noun, plural noun or plural pronoun, plural nouns, children, flowers, buildings, tables, trees, yes, cakes, clothes, that is plural noun. And when we are talking a plural pronoun, we, you, they, with I also, then we never ever add s. So if we have to write it, I will not write I plays, I will write I play, we play, they play, Anuj and Kavita play. Clear? So with singular noun you have to add s, and with plural noun you will not add s. Clear? So when we have to add s, this is our first topic. Now let us move to the next. When we have to add es, concept is same. With singular noun, like here we have added s, same way with singular noun we will add es, and with plural noun we will not add anything. Clear? Let me show you. Singular words, Anuj, Kavita, he, she. So we have written some words are there, some action words are there with which we add es. Like if we have to add s or es, means if we are talking about singular noun or singular pronoun, we have to write he goes. So he goes, we never write gos, that is wrong. So there we write es. Okay, there are some words with which we always use es. Okay, in same way with plural noun we will not use es. Okay, there are some words with which we always use es. Goes, we never ever add s, we always added es. Yes. Next, doing word with ies. Same way, when we are talking about singular noun we will add ies. When we are talking about plural noun it will remain same, we will not change anything. So Anuj, Kavita, he, she are singular noun, so we have added here ies. Ies when we add, when in the last y is there, try. Yes, when we have to, we are talking about singular noun. Anuj tries hard. So, but how you will write tries? T-R-I-E-S. You will not add s, you will not add es. We will cut y and we will add ies. So there are some words when we add, we are talking about present and present sentence, and then we are talking about singular noun or singular pronoun, we always use ies. We cut y and we use ies, like dry, dry. So when we have to write she dries clothes, so she dries, so we will write dries ies. We will not write s only, that will be wrong. So these words you have to understand. So it is clear now, ies, es and s we always use with singular words, and with plural word we will not add any s, any es, any ies. It will remain same only. With plural we will not change the verb. Whatever will be given to you, it will remain same. Let us do the exercise. So here you can see Anya and Alia. Now here we are talking about two. Only Anya is not given. If only Anya is given, we will write sings. But here Anya and Alia too are there. So we will not add s. We will write only sing. Clear? Next, Mrs. Tiwari. Now Mrs. Tiwari is also a single. One woman, Mrs. Tiwari dashes music. So what you will write here? Teaches. Okay? Teaches. I-E-S. This is wrong spelling. So this is correct spelling. So we will tick teaches. Teach when we will use, when we are talking about plural. If Mrs. Tiwari and Mr. Tiwari, two are given to you. Okay. Next, the school bell. School bell is singular noun. One bell. So we will add s here. Clear? The birds. Now birds are plural. There are so many. So we will not add s here. Here fly will come. If only bird will be given to you, then you will write this flies. We will cut y and we will add ies. These are correct spelling of fly. This is wrong spelling. Okay. Next, Salma always. Now Salma is one only, so always wins. We will add s. Uncle Krishnan. Only one uncle is there, so Uncle Krishnan listens to music every morning, every evening. So this is your first question. Now come to question 2. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the doing words in the bracket. The sun. Sun is one. So what you will write? Rises. We will add s. Okay, because sun is one only. These shops. Now shops are plural. So s will not come. Only clothes will come. These children. Children are plural. Child is one. Children is plural. So whatever is given in the bracket, it will remain same. Do will come only. The plumber. Plumber is one. So when we are talking about one thing, we always add s, es or ies. So what we'll add, we will add with that fix. So here fix is es will come. The first bus. We are talking about first bus means one bus. Leaves. So we will add s here, because after leave in the last we never add es. That will be wrong. Ies also will be wrong. So correct spelling, only s we will add. The wheels of the bus. Here listen carefully. We are talking about we are not talking about bus. We are talking about the wheels. So wheels plural word. So we will write only go. Only bus will be there. Then we will write goes, es. But here wheels are plural. So we will not add as, es anything. Clear? So this way you have to do. If singular noun pronoun is given, you will add ses. If plural is there, then you will write whatever is given in the bracket. Okay? Now this is your next. Look at the pictures. Answer these questions to describe Sahil's routine. He is Sahil and we have to describe his routine. So how you will answer these questions? Whenever we are doing question, I always tells you if in question does is there, we always add s or es. If did is there, we are adding past form, second form. Yes. So what time does Sahil wake up? It is already given. He wakes up. So here does is given. So we will add s. Wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So this you can do yourself, means you can make your in your way also sentences. What does he do after he wakes up? When he wakes up, after that what does he do? What does he do after he wakes up? So after he wakes up, what does he do? So again does is given, so you will add he takes his bath. Okay, if did will be given, we will write took, past form. What does he do next? Again does. So he gets up ready. You can see he gets ready for school. How does he go to school? Now here does is given, so with go we will write goes. He goes to school by bus. Es will come. What does he do in the evening? He plays in the evening. You can write he plays with her sister, with his sister. So you can make in your sentence. He plays in the evenings. What does he do at the end of the day? So you can see he's sleeping. So how we will write? He goes to sleep. So you can see in all sentences I have added s wherever s is required. With go we are adding es. Play we are adding only s. Takes only s. Okay. So you see the picture and accordingly we have to make the sentence. So in this you have to see does is there. So you have to add s, es, ies. Whatever is given word, with that we will use it. Okay. So this is your chapter number 11. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. Take care. Bye bye.